Hey, what's up? This is Caden Crutchfield. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about Adobe After Effects. So Adobe After Effects is located in Adobe's Creative Suite. Here's an example of Adobe's Creative Suite. It's a little widget that allows you to open any of their applications. And the cool thing about Adobe is they all sync together. So something you create in After Effects can move to Premiere. Anything you create in Lightroom can move to Premiere XD. So when you create something somewhere, it can transfer over to another program very easily. So I'm going to go ahead and open up After Effects, which I already have here, and we're going to create a very first step of this animation. So I'm going to go ahead and play it for you so you can see what it looks like. Hey, pretty fancy, right? So we're going to go ahead and open a new composition, and right here you put what your screen wants to look like. So in this case I have 1080 by 1920. That's the size of a cell phone. So somebody who is on an Instagram story can see it and it'll look good. I'll go ahead and open it. So give you a small explanation of this screen. The very bottom is a timetable, so you can see 0 to 15 seconds. So when you create something, how you animate it is you first place an object at the very beginning, and then you move to your timetable up to a little further, closer to 15 seconds, and you move that object. So what we'll do is we'll open up this cool looking rectangle tool, and we're going to drag it across the screen. So now it's completely across the screen. So I remember in the video, the color looked a little bit more blue. So let's go ahead and change the color so it's closer to what the video looked like originally. And so to animate it the way it did, we want to move it. So we're going to go see our shape layer, which is our blue square. We can go ahead and click transform and position. And so at 0 seconds, I want this to be on the far left side of my screen. And I want it to be a fairly quick transition, so I'm going to keep it closer to 1 or 2 seconds. And then I will drag it over the screen. So our final product of the very first section of that video looks like this. Alright, so a quick overview of After Effects. The learning curve, it's pretty difficult to learn. It takes a little bit. I would suggest starting with Adobe Premiere so that you can slowly learn how to use After Effects, because they do have similar properties when it comes to editing. So I would probably rank it 2 out of 5 stars because it takes a little bit to understand.